Oh my god, where do I even start? Okay, I don't know how to say it, but I made my own Popsocket brand. I've been so focused on this launch. I haven't slept properly, as in almost ilang araw na akong hindi makatulog because I've been thinking a lot. The series, the packaging, the name, and a lot of things that in store in the future. When Musical.ly started, I always wanted this. Nung una pa lang na nagbo-boom yung Popsockets, back in Musical.ly days, like Baby Ariel days, it was my dream to create my own brand here in the Philippines, where users known as TikTokers will basically enjoy all the designs and also the market na I know. Kasi nagti-TikTok ako and I do content creation. I'm a transitioner and a lot of people don't actually know na Popsocket can make their transition videos better. Super techy rin ako. Almost 12 hours lampas ko na atang gamit yung phone ko sa loob ng isang araw. I mean, nasa kamay ko lang siya. Bukod sa my work is actually more on the online side. I always watch movies and other kind of stuffs using my phone. So medyo nakakangalay siya. And gusto ko nang solusyon yung problema na to ngayon for most of us TikTokers and techie people. And at the same time, I wanted to express my own kind of art through this product. And ito yun. I never sold my own merch, as in, hindi ako nagbenta in my whole entire life except sa mga clothes na nagamit ko na. Because I need this to be the embodiment of me. Some people actually offered, hey, gagawin namin yung lahat para sa'yo, logo, designs, sasabihin mo lang sa mga followers mo to buy your own merch. And I was like, no, you don't get me. Because I know na I can do better and I always wanted to challenge myself. And I also love exploring things that I'm not sure yet. It's like I'm really enjoying myself being pushed to the limit. JiPop is a Popsocket brand and will launch more designs, but for the first collection, ang una kong ilalabas is the Marble collection. Comes with 4 different colors: black, blue, pink, and white. All the designs are marble. And ang goal is to be the top brand of Popsockets here in the Philippines. Gusto ko kapag naisip ng mga tao yung Popsocket, isang brand lang yung mapupunta sa isip nila, and that's JiPop. Ayun yung pinaka-goal ng brand na to. First, of course, it's the branding itself. We always wanted to take care of... Ayun, di pala nakabukas yung ilaw sa kabila. Anyways, whenever you use the Popsocket, hindi nyo siya masasabihan as cheap or something like that. Because it's really not cheap. Second, all of the designs are made by me. And we'll be launching more designs soon. Sobrang daming naka-stock sa utak ko, pero hindi ko po siya pwedeng i-discuss sa inyo ngayon kasi it's a secret. But sobrang dami talaga, as in, sobrang excited na i-release yung mga future na collections kasi sobrang excited. Wala, sobrang excited na talaga. Basta ang ganda ng mga collections sa mga susunod. Pero bumili pa rin kayo ngayon. And also, I made the design ng mismong packaging. Ayan, so this is what our packaging looks like. So, I wanted to be like glossy, like matte yung itsura ng pinaka-packaging niya. Pati nasa likod, look. Pero soon we'll be releasing like the silver para mas classy pa rin siya tingnan. Third, we added extra protection para sa mga designs ng Popsocket. So if you guys can see, ito yung Popsocket ni Mama. Siguro gamit niya na ito mga 1 year, mahigit na rin naman ata. So ito yung Popsocket ni Mama. Medyo nawala na yung pinaka-design niya kasi parang nagbakbak na siya. So ito yung itsura niya side by side. So yung JiPop yung marble and then the regular Popsocket is nasa kabila, which is walang extra protection. Pero ito, ayan, nakita nyo ba yung gloss? Ibig sabihin, parang meron siyang glass-like na nilagay kami to make sure na yung design will stay for more than a year or like years, depende sa pag-aalaga nyo. Pero we make sure naman na magtatagal yung design. We make sure na yung JiPop will really last long and you'll really enjoy kung gaano ka-classy and kamahal yung itsura niya. Knowing that the price is only 99 pesos lang, which takes us sa last kung anong pinagkaiba niya with other brand. It's the price itself. Yung price ng JiPop is just 99 pesos. We always make sure na it's really affordable and para po talaga sa lahat yung brand. Because JiPop ay 99 pesos lang each. Imagine for less than 100 you'll get a Popsocket. Today, August 8, 2020, sinabay ko siya sa 8/8 sale kasi alam ko na kayo guys are busy every sale. So, yan, sinabay ko yung launch ng product sa sale ng Lazada and Shopee. So, mabibili nyo na siya on both Lazada and Shopee and available po siya for cash on delivery. So if I were you guys, samantalahin nyo na yung promo ng Lazada and Shopee na free shipping today. So get yours now. JiPop has TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram account. You can follow all of them sa description box, lalagay ko na lang. And make sure kapag bumili kayo, tag me, tag JiPop, and hashtag nyo yung JiPop para ma-restore ko or we can repost your photos on our Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok account. And I am really looking forward sa mga support nyo today, like today na. So go na, add to cart. Add to cart. Sana after nito, dumiretso na kayo sa Lazada or Shopee. Lalagay ko yung link namin sa description box. Or you can search my Popsockets, JiPop Marble Collection, something like that. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you again on my next vlog. Stay awesome and God bless. Bye!